Hey guys, just checking in. We are on our way to go to a wedding rehearsal. We just got ordained a couple weeks ago, and I'm already scheduled to officiate my first wedding for some friends at church. So we're gonna go and have the rehearsal, run through everything, go see the venue, and then afterwards we're gonna grab some dinner. We're here at the rehearsal for the wedding tomorrow. Came up at the top of the hill here. There's an awesome view. They picked a good spot. All the magic happens right here.
Which is the bride side and which is the groom side.
Or some of those, what is it, casino advisors? You want the transparent, like the green tin? And one of those hats with the umbrellas on.
The dealer's father.
Hey, Shu and Robin here. It's for the people. They want this. They're asking for it.
No one's
They're begging
asking for this.
it. All right, we just came from the rehearsal. We're here in Uptown, not downtown. Uptown Martinsville. We're going to an Italian place called Rania's. You decide how to say it because I don't know. Anyway, tomorrow's the wedding. We'll see you later. Hey there. All right. Hey guys, Shua here. It is wedding day. So we're here, Martinsville, Virginia. Still technically in Martinsville. We're on the outskirts. Saturday afternoon, we are here for our friend's wedding, which I am going to be officiating. Super excited. Robin is one of the bridesmaids. She's here getting ready, doing hair and makeup. Our daughter Fancy is one of the flower girls, and I'm gonna be officiating. So I got my nice new Hawaiian shirt at the bride's request. She wanted me to keep it fun, and got my mustache all done up. So anyway, should be good. We're gonna be going up there on top of the hill. All right, we are up at the top of the hill. Everybody's gonna be coming from that way. They got everything decorated nice now. Yesterday, it was kind of bare. They got it all decorated nice with these flowers. This is where we're gonna have, the couple is gonna be lighting the unity candle and having communion. All right, well guys, stop. We got through the ceremony. I didn't get any video of it because things started popping off quick. Pretty much as soon as the ceremony started, it started thundering and pouring rain, so we all ran into one of the other buildings and did the ceremony in there. Everybody got soaked. It's still raining right now. Where are we at? Right there. They got married. They are officially married. We're just hanging out, having some snacks, waiting for the reception, and it is still raining. My first wedding, pretty much. Well, officially as a pastor. We got a story out of it, that's for sure. All right. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. We're gonna hang out, have some dinner. I don't know how long we're gonna stay, but it was awesome.
That's hilarious. That's your baby, right?
Yep.
Look, but man, every wedding like this, Dad.